And let's go ahead and give me a right-hand turn. We'll go back to 030. So maintain 3,000.
030.
Maintain 3,000. Watch your descent there.
Oh. We are really descending, aren't we?
Oh, you're doing good, man. You're level. All right, you get bumped around, but just make sure your wings are level. There you go, and then go ahead and keep on turning.
Crossville traffic, 349 Delta Sierra, turning left base 26, Crossville traffic.
Zero.
Okay.
3020.
Very nice, very nice. All right, I was watching behind your foggles. I could see your eyes really moving, and that's exactly what you want. Cool, because you roll that right on your heading, and you maintain your 3,000 the whole way through. All right, so let's go ahead and close your eyes, all right, and then look at the ceiling. There's no cheating, okay? So close your eyes, look at the ceiling.
Close and look at ceiling.
Yep. Now give me no, you're flying. Now give me a standard rate turn to the right.
Standard rate turn to the right. And you're looking outside, right?
I got it. Yeah. So still no looking, but put me to what you think is level.
Oh man, why are you doing that?
All right. Now when you look, go ahead and look straight at your attitude indicator. Okay, what you doing? Go ahead and recover it.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
That's what you call an unusual attitude.
Oh wow.
All right, good. Turn me to the east. We'll kind of stay away from the approach corridor.
Turn right to the east?
Yes, sir. How weird is that?
Yeah.
Totally weird, isn't it?
I couldn't feel anything, to be honest. You said put it at level. I don't know what level was.
There you go. Watch your altitude. And that's exactly why we practice these, because that's the perfect example. Do we trust our body?
No.
All right, what do we trust?
The instruments.
Okay. So your body's like, oh yeah, I'm straight and level. I'm walking just fine. And you look at your attitude and you're like this. All right, let's do another one.
Yeah.
All right, no looking. Close your eyes. Look at the ceiling. Give me a standard rate turn to the left.
Standard rate turn to the left.
Still no looking. Give me a 10-degree climb, a nose-up attitude. So climbing left turn now. No looking. What do you think you're doing right now?
I'm climbing.
Okay, go ahead. Recover. Look at your attitude.
Whoa. Wow.
Now you see why we don't trust our body? You said we're climbing, but we're descending almost 2,000 feet a minute. That's pretty wild stuff, isn't it?
Wow, wow, wow. Well, well, well. This is instrument training for you.
Yep. All right, so let me give you a couple unusual attitudes, okay? All right, so I'll fly. All right, I'll put you in something crazy, and then you just go ahead and recover it, okay?
Okay.
So let's talk about it real quick. If I'm in the blue, what do I want to do?
In the blue, you want to push power.
Okay, power through. Okay, if I'm in the brown?
You want to pull power.
Power down. Okay, so go ahead, no looking. Just go ahead, close your eyes, stare at the ceiling. All right, I'm just going to go ahead.
I'm scared of this one.
No, man, I'm just going to throw you around a little bit. All right, go ahead and recover. In the brown. There you go, wings level. Pull on through, okay.
That wasn't
That's good, right? Wasn't bad.
too bad.
All All right, let me give you another one.
I'm not saying for you to...
No. Let me give you another one. All right, you feeling pretty good?
I'm not saying for you to go crazy on me.
I won't. This is the first day, and it's kind of bumpy, so. All right, man. So go ahead and close your eyes. Let me just go ahead and throw you around here a little bit. I'll just kind of mess you all up here. What do you think we're doing now?
Going down.
Okay, go ahead and recover.
Oh, wow. Wow, I tell you, man.
Incredible, isn't it?
The instruments are awesome, to be honest with you. It's like, it tells you exactly what you need to know.
Exactly. I was going to bring it back here just a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Very nice. How do you feel about that? That's pretty wild, pretty nuts, right?
Yeah, it builds, it's kind of, definitely make you one with the instruments.
Absolutely. Do we ever trust our body?
No.
Okay. All right, so Mooney, 7 Foxtrot Delta, descend and maintain 3,000. Give me your right-hand turn to 180.
Descending maintain 3,000, right hand turn.